Right versus wrong, good versus bad, truth versus lies. Easy to make a choice, isn't it? But what if I ask win versus win, lose versus lose? Do you find it difficult to answer? Perhaps yes. This is the devil called dilemma. Good morning, all. I'm Imanisha. I'm going to talk about dilemma. Life is full of dilemmas. To begin with, head versus heart, practicality versus emotions. Who will you choose? In relations, parents versus spouse, spouse versus children, friend versus cousin. Oh my God, this is so difficult, isn't it? What would you choose? Whom would you choose? If you listen to your heart, your head will say, hey, hey, what are you up to? And vice versa. If you choose one relation over another, the other will say, hey, am I not important to you? Oh, this becomes the most difficult situation in life for anyone who is facing it. The dilemma kills me, you know. I would like to give you some examples. You have decided to grab a better career opportunity and you want to give in your resignation from the current position, but your current employer and your co-workers expect you to stay because of your dedication, and they are also ready to offer you a better package. Now what to do? Now you are so lucky, you are getting a better package and you are already comfortable over here. What else do you want? Hey, no, you can't do this. How can you let this opportunity go? Huh? This is your dream. It will give you so much more exposure. It will also give you chance to travel through the world. Don't do it. Oh, now what? दोनों हाथ में लड्डू, ये खाओ या वो खाओ. This might be a win-win situation for you, but you have to make a decision and you have to pick any one, right? Now I'll share my personal experience to you. My father was a cardiac patient and complications came up. One doctor suggested that he should go for a surgery and take risk, while the other doctor suggested against it because we might lose him. He said, go on with the treatment and he might live for another 4 or 5 months. Now imagine the situation my family was put into. Aage khai, piche kua. We were stuck in a lose-lose situation. Whatever we decide, it was going to be a lose-lose situation, a moral dilemma, which doctors face so many times in their lives, whether to let the patient suffer or let it go. Same with people who have faced the situation with ventilators, where the heart beats artificially and a loved one has to decide to remove it. What a dilemma, isn't it? One more example on a lighter note. A boy has to choose between two girlfriends to be. Whom to choose? A girl who is ordinary looking but decent, sober girl belonging to an ordinary but good family. She has been his friend forever. On other side, there is a girl who is bad-tempered but extremely beautiful and belonging to a high-end family. Now he is attracted to both. What to do? Huh? Won't you be my boyfriend? You know, we know each other from such a long time. We understand each other. Hey, handsome, won't you like me to be your girlfriend? I have everything what you could have in your life. I have looks, I have money, I have power. Oh my God, whom to choose? Huh? This is a difficult time for anybody who has to choose, isn't it? Now, I'm not here to provide you a preference in your choice. No, you can choose whatever you feel appropriate for you at that point of time. The only thing I would like to say is that think properly before making a decision and learn to take the responsibility of the consequence that follows. If things go right, people tend to feel proud of themselves. I made this decision. So, but if things do not go the way they had expected, then what happens? The blame game starts. You told me to do this. See, look what happened. It is your fault. I was going to do this and you told me to do this. See what is happening. Oh, no, no. Now this is not right. We need to take decision on our own. Of course, we can go for guidance and ask someone, but the ultimate decision is ours. And so whatever follows is solely our responsibility. Many times it happens that you are caught in a difficult lose-lose situation, lose-lose dilemma. Then what to do? But you need to pick one and accept it. Whatever happens, it cannot be anybody's fault. But the situation is such that there is no way out. So so you have to accept it. In this kind of dilemma, just decide and accept the consequence boldly. No regrets. You did your best and leave things to the superpower above us who rules us and our lives. We can do nothing about it. To conclude, dilemma comes to test us in our life. Accept the challenge and do your best. After all, life is all about the choice we make. Thank you.